Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow your Instagram account organically. Whether you're just starting or looking to boost your existing profile, these strategies will help you grow your followers effectively. So let's follow these steps together. The first step is to optimize your profile. Ensure your profile picture is clear and represents either you or your brand. Just go to Instagram and then go to profile. Then click on the profile picture and click on add profile photo. You can choose whether to add this from the gallery or to import it from Facebook. The second thing is to write a short engaging bio. Mention who you are and what you do and include a call to action, like for example DM for collaboration or check out my last post. You can go to edit profile and under bio you can write these down. You can always include a relevant link, like to your store, latest content, or blog. The second step is to post high quality content. Post regularly, at least 3 to 4 times a week. Use insights to figure out when your followers are most active. Focus on your niche. If you're into fashion, post outfits, behind the scenes, or styling tips. And make sure your photos have a consistent aesthetics. Apps like Lightroom or VSCO are great for editing. The third step is to use hashtags. Use, use both popular and niche specific hashtags. Aim for a mix of 5 to 10 hashtags. And avoid overly generic hashtags like hashtag love or hashtag fashion, as they get drowned in posts quickly because everyone is using them. And you can put them in your caption or the first comment. The fourth step is to engage with your audience. Respond to every comment. Engagement signals Instagram's algorithm to show your posts more. Engage with accounts in your niche to draw attention to your own profile, and use polls, Q&As, and stickers to interact with followers on stories. And that's it. These steps will help you grow organically. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, let me know in the comments what your growth journey has been like. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.